Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add customers to your Quickbook. How to add customers to Quickbooks. Trust me, this from home menu because it's three lines at top left corner. Then you see the option for customers and leads. Click on it. You can see customers. Then you can click on new customer. And then you put in the customer title, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, customer display name, company name, email, phone number, mobile number, customer, fax, orders, website. If you go to the top customer, you check this box, then the address of the person, billing address, first street address, city, province, postal code, country. You can also preview the address, shipping address should be the same as billing address, not the same, or check this box. The notes and attachment you can add notes here. An attachment of nothing more than 20 megabytes, and then payments, primary payment method, the terms of payments, sales from delivery options. Then you can use company default or you can choose none, send later, print later. The language you use, send the invoice, you can choose the language you use here. And then additional information, you can add it here. Once you're through, click on save. It's as simple as that. So as you can see, everything attend, this is achieving something. And then you click on save. It's as simple as that. Customer has been added. You can choose from many customers as you want. Hope you find it very helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.